Travel can transform a routine life into an epic adventure. Yet, it's not without its stresses. What if you could glide through your journey with the finesse of a seasoned globetrotter? Start by packing like a pro. Roll your clothes, embrace packing cubes, and choose versatile outfits. Travel light, carrying only what's essential. Keep your documents in a digital wallet and maximize luggage space with compression bags and clever shoe stuffing. Master airport navigation by checking in online and packing smart. Beat jet lag by adjusting your sleep schedule and soaking in sunlight upon arrival. Stay healthy by hydrating and keeping up with your nutrition and rest. Save on flights with fair comparison sites and off-peak bookings. Avoid roaming charges with a local SIM card. For authentic experiences, dodge tourist traps, dine where locals do, and travel during the off-season. Protect your valuables with anti-theft gear and plan for emergencies with a first aid kit and local contacts. Yet, don't forget to embrace spontaneity. Sometimes the best memories are unplanned. With these 15 ultimate travel hacks, you're set for a stress-free exploration of the world. Whether solo or with companions, these strategies ensure you'll savor every moment and create lasting memories. Pack your bags and let the adventure begin.